Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I'm in the kitchen and I decided to share an idea with you guys to say, you know what I mean, coming up in summer, you know what I mean, detoxing and cleansing of the body. This is a recipe which you can do and drink it right straight through the day. Alright, now I got some lemon. Alright, I have some lemon right here. Cut my lemon into half and I'm gonna put it straight inside of my bucket like this. Alright, with roughly about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And this is a drink which is, you guys can drink right straight through the day. All you need is these 3 ingredients right here. And it's so easy to make. Nothing complicated and nothing to worry. Instead, unless you're allergic to the ingredients. If you're allergic to the ingredients, you cannot have it. Alright? Remember, it's just a bucket of water, 2 slices of lemon, teaspoon of apple cider vinegar inside of the water, and drink it every day. This is good for detoxing, even weight loss and cleansing of the body. Alright? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. I have a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team right here, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo all the way. See you next time. Bye bye.